Thutha wa thirikari gutangatha mubango wa igana kwa igana wa gutigirira mwana wothe warikia kirathi gia kanana ni aingira kirathi gia form 1, riu arutani anene a mathukuru ma secondary ni mambiririe kuigwo ritu kumana na kuongerereka kwa namba ya arutwo mathukuru-ini.
One is an older one.
Uhoro uyu hithukire hindi iria maabitha a ngathi ya iguru a kiama gia KESSHA magwikinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge igie githomo kuria moririe thirikari imetikirie gwitia aciari mbeca niguo mahote gwaka irathi o undu umwe na nyumba cia gukoma niguo kunina muhatikano uria ukoretwo kuo mathukuru-ini matiganite. Kuringana na kiama giki, kuongerereka kwa namba ĩno no kuongereire mũrigo munene kuri arutani, undu uria kiama giki kirauga kingiheo rutha ni thirikari no mahote kwiyandikira arutani makiria.
The principal, what do I do? Do I sit and wait for the students to riot? I'll look for intervention measures. And the intervention measures are the owners of those children. They must give me money. Yes, we charge. And if the teachers don't come, we will still ask parents to pay. I know it's illegal, but how do I now manage the students? If you tell me how to manage and how my colleagues will do it, I stand advised.
Hindi ya gikaro kiu ninge ni kuhithukire ati makiria ma arutwo 200,000 matiandikithitio rungu rwa mutaratara wa NEMIS na gutiga mathukuru maingi mari hatikaini tondu matingiamukira kigina kuma kuri thirikari.
The term is closing in the next 2 weeks. These schools have not received funds. They have students in school they have to provide for. They have suppliers who need to be paid. The answer has always been next week the money will be in school. This committee should help us find out when is this next week reaching.
Mwena-ini wakio kiama gia KEPSHA nikiageire kiene mathomo maria arutani maraheirwo ni thirikari megimaini na mutaratara mweru wa githomo gikiuga matirari makinyaniru.
It is very dangerous because they are not trained teachers, and at one time they may go for greener pastures elsewhere, so the children are left without a teacher.
Kiama giki nikiugite mutaratara uyu waya kwaga gukinyanira agikorwo mitaratara miega ndi kugathikwo. Thina uria munene woneka kuyumiria thiini wa ciama ici thatu ni kwaga arutani a kuigana o undu umwe na irathi uria guciririe bata wa thirikari gukorwo igitigirira ni anina thina uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwagi.